Understanding Velcroed To in Everyday English. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, Velcroed To. This phrase is a great example of how modern inventions influence language. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it in your everyday conversations. First, let's dive into where this phrase comes from. Velcro is a well-known brand of hook and loop fastener. It's that material used in shoes, bags, and clothing that makes a ripping sound when pulled apart. When we say something is Velcroed to something else, we are using Velcro as a metaphor. It vividly describes how two things are stuck together, much like the two sides of a Velcro strip. Now, on to the meaning. To say something is Velcroed to something else means it's closely attached, either physically or figuratively. For example, if we say, he's Velcroed to his phone, it means he's always on his phone, almost as if it's stuck to his hand. It's important to note that this phrase often implies a strong attachment or an inability to separate from the object or person in question. Let's look at some examples to clarify how you can use Velcroed to in sentences. During the party, the toddler was Velcroed to her mother's leg, too shy to play with the other kids. I can't get any work done with the cat Velcroed to my lap. He's been Velcroed to that book all weekend. It must be fascinating. In everyday speech, Velcroed to is quite informal and conversational. It's great for casual discussions but might not be suitable for very formal contexts. There are also variations, like saying someone is glued to something, which has a similar meaning. I hope this video has helped you understand and feel confident using the phrase Velcroed to. It's a playful and vivid way to describe close attachments, and it's quite fun to use. Remember, language is always evolving, and phrases like this show how creative and dynamic English can be. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.